Hello, YouTube. This is my granddaughter. Wait a minute, little girl. This is my granddaughter. Look at Tate. Imani. Say hello, Imani.
Hey.
So how you doing?
Fine.
We're at Bible Way Ministry, and she's getting ready to rehearse. She's getting ready to sing tomorrow at church. Look at it. She's silly. You see how silly she is? I'm giving her a little lunch. As you can see, she's eating her little sandwich and drink before she goes in to sing. She got to get herself nice and filled up so she won't be hungry. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my granddaughter. She goes to Mount Nebo. She just started. This is the granddaughter I was talking about. She just started school. And she's loving it already. And she went the first day. She did great. Don't do that. Call you. Eat your food. Because you got to let everybody see you on YouTube. You got to be nice. So she goes to Mount Nebo, and she's enjoying herself. The first day she went, she wasn't even crying or anything. So you can see she is a big girl. Right, Imani?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. She's silly just like my daughter. What's the song I taught you? Remember that song I taught you?
Yes.
I was living it. So you want to do that?
Yes.
Sing it. Okay. Okay. Oh, you can eat and sing too. Put your sandwich down and sing that song for Grandma. Sing it for YouTube. Okay, get that off your mouth now. Get that little stuff. Okay, ready? Sing it. Sing. I was living it. Sing. Go ahead.
I live to see.
Not thinking about lies. Thought I had it
going on.
I wasn't living right. Everyone around me soon walked away. Fell on my knees and prayed. Lord, reach down. Lord, reach down. Hold your head up so you can see your face. And save me. No longer am I bound. He turned my life around. Go ahead. Turn my life
around.
All right. All right. Good job.
Bye-bye.
You ready to say bye already?
Yes. Bye. I love you.
So I love you, YouTube.
I love you too.
So I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye. Bye.